things to plan ahead for when you're building your raised beds is the size of your aisleway. If you intend to build anything that is a vining plant, like my lovely bride has some tromboncino squash here, it's really nice and easy to take a cattle panel and just hoop it and bend it. It does not need to be fixed at all. We just zip tied it together so that it stays nice and tight. The other thing that's great about this, because it's not permanently mounted, as she wants to rotate crops in different beds and move her vining plants to other beds, we've laid out some beds with the right aisle sizes, and I'll talk about that aisle size range in a minute. So we can just pick this trellis up and move it somewhere else, and then she can get great crop rotation in each bed. Now we set this particular aisleway, it's about 5 feet apart. This is a 16-foot cantle panel. You want to be from anywhere from 4 to 5 feet apart. Obviously, the narrower it is, the higher the peak of the arch will be. But this is one of the really neat things about this system, is that we can move our trellising all over as long as we plan ahead and allow for the right size aisleways. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed that. See you soon.